Hi, how to zoom in and out slowly. Now here I've got a clip from Creative Commons downloaded off YouTube. I'm going to play it before doing any editing. I'll just quickly play it now. The sunset videos are great for this sort of thing. So now I'm going to start editing it. Now first of all I'm going to do one quick zoom in on the sun at this point in the video, so you can see the sun brightening. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my marker at this point and I'm going to press S, which is going to split it. You can either press S or you can right mouse and press split, and that's the shortcut key there. So I've got this position here now, so I'm going to click this event, pan and crop, or I can right mouse, video, event, pan and crop. Now what I want to do, I want to get the top left there, and I'll press the left mouse button down, then drag it inwards. You can see on the main screen how it's doing that. Now I want to move it down, so just click anywhere on it and move it down. And this is the view. This rectangle here is actually the view of the video. So now it should be centered like that. Now when you're doing this, make sure that these two are clicked down. Otherwise the perspective will go all over the place like that. So make sure those two are down. I'm going to set it back to normal default, and then I'm going to zoom in to there. And now I'm going to play that back from the beginning. Now as you can see, that was a very quick zoom in. Now I can do it a lot slower. So click on event, pan and crop. Now I'm going to set it back to default, which is the full screen of it. And now I'm going to use what we call keyframes. So you move the top marker across to the position where you want to be fully zoomed in. And these numbers here are number of seconds. So over 6 seconds I'm going to zoom in. So once you've got the marker at the position, you then set the zoom. Like that. And then we play it back. Play it back from about there. So now you can see it's gradually zooming in, and it stays zoomed in. I'm going to change the preview so it's not quite as jerky. So now once I get to that position, I want to start zooming out again. So I want to do it slowly, so the longer you do it for, the slower it will be coming out. So I'm going to set that back to default, to full screen. So you can see it's added another marker there at the position, and that's full screen. And if you click on the marker there, you can see the zooming position that you've got. So you can do it a little bit more, say. I can move it around. You can move the marker around to there. So maybe just when the sun just disappears, start zooming out again there, and play that back. Start zooming out again. So if I wanted to do that quicker, click on it again, can add another marker, say here. Say here I want to be a lot further out. And then gradually do it. So I'm going to play that back again. And now it will slow down. And that is how you zoom in and out slowly. Give it a try.